Hello all, Wave Rider here with a review and demo of the Powder Keg Super Loud Firecrackers from the now defunct, well, I'm not sure if they're defunct, but last I heard they were under bankruptcy, but by Red Rocket Fireworks. I picked these up for $3, I believe, each, from a small mom and pop's, I wouldn't say small, but mom and pop store that had old fireworks they have on the shelves. Let's go look at these real quick. Actually, you know what? These both share the same product number, PKT714, PKT714. Just look like an older, I'm not sure if it's older because it looks kind of faded, but older packaging, but I'm not sure. But if you guys know, please comment and let me know. Nothing special on the side or back. They are 1.5 inch firecrackers, 40 packs of 12 on each brick. Well, this one here is a 50 strand, which good morning's both the same too, but yeah, we'll go and shoot off the 50 strands since I have a few of these loose ones. All right, before we go outside, I want to ask you guys something. If you guys know what this is, along with the Powder Kegs firecrackers, I got this. The lady cut me a deal on this, and I said, well, why not? I can't read Chinese, so I have no idea what it is. It's a celebration crackers. It's Chinese, and all it says is number 5,000 size notice, and it has 1,388 crackers approximately. And it says China National Native Produce and Animal. What the? By Products Import Corporation, Quantum Native Produce Branch. Produce, like fruits and vegetables. Anyways, yeah, if you guys know what it is, please comment below and let me know. Anyways, let's go outside and shoot off the Powder Keg 50 strand. See you guys outside. Hey, we're outside. Guess what? We're gonna light up some firecrackers here. We're gonna light up these. The Powder Keg Firecrackers, the 50 strand. It's red, has the star pattern on it. I think, no, it's not a star. Let me see here. Is that a flower? Yeah, it's a flower. Flower pattern. Anyway, so let's give this a try. Put it right here. And where's my lighter? Here it is. Okay. Let me get this fuse up. Wow, those are loud. I like that. That was really cool. If you guys happen to find these, I suggest you get a pack or a brick. But anyways, you guys have a great day. Oh yeah, forgot to mention this on the earlier, but happy Thanksgiving. All right, catch you guys later.